on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
View outside of my window, and there's a caiman right over there. Right over there is a caiman, and this is literally outside of my window. So rain fell. Come on, window, don't leave me out. Rain fell last night, and the water actually came up, and this little guy is right there. Good morning. It is 12:15. It's Monday today. It's a pretty chill day. I have to go to the post office. I have to make the vlog from last week public. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know. What else? I'm gonna collect something by one of my friends today. So yeah, gonna leave now. Okay, so today is a Wednesday. It's 4:05, 10:05, somewhere around there today. I had something very important to do today, and I didn't get to do it. One, because I get up this morning feeling real sick. Throat was sore and feeling like a hot mess. And now sort of feel like a little bit better, but I feel like I should be getting more rest. I didn't actually sleep because, you know, my mind is racing, like having all these things to do, and I kind of being lazy and then not feeling so good too. And then the weather was like horrible. So like I'm thinking right now I feeling a little bit better, so I kind of feeling motivated to do some stuff. Like I still have to fill out my planner for this month. Being lazy, I know it's rubber. How to do that at some time, so I think I'm gonna do that now. It's Wednesday, the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July for those of you who are celebrating it. Happy 4th of July. It's like 10:15. I have to leave right now to go do my errand because the weather a little bit good today. Hoping it stay good. Well, waiting on a phone call right now because I don't like to really have to phone while driving. I am home, feeling super productive today because I got 2 things done today. 2 very important errands, the bank, and then I had to go to the post office. However, post office didn't work out because they didn't have the information that I wanted, so I have to go to a different branch. Thank God the weather hold up, so it was sunny when I went, and feeling good. Literally yesterday when I was feeling sick, I kind of let sickness take over me because I had a really bad sore throat. When I start getting the cold, I get like a sore throat first, and then when I have sore throats, that is like real trauma. So I just like allow myself to have a luxury time to feel sick and embrace the sickness. But now I want to push it away because I don't want to get sick. I really don't want to get sick. Just have a slight cold. I'm not gonna get worse. Right. So I started feeling productive today. So it is 3:15. And I'm in the park exercising a little bit, just do some running. There is the park is like in front of me. I'll show you that now. But I am actually, because the sun's so hot, in the shade, like by the play park, kid area exercising because so today, since I'm feeling so motivated, I'm trying to get a lot done. But yeah, so anybody, if you are feeling as unmotivated as I was, just get up and do it. You have to get up and do it because it makes you feel so much better once you start doing it. There's the park down there, and all here is basically a kid area.
Why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
It's Tuesday and it's literally late in the evening right now. It's probably like after 7, it's 8 around there. I tried to vlog this morning, really, trust me, I tried, but my camera just conked out on me. It could only take pictures, but right now they're recording like iffy. I don't know what's going on. And I had to wait for the charger for this camera to use, and I know it's not all a great quality either, but anyway, basically what I did today, I did laundry, organize some files on my computer, like just took a break and chill, watch some shows. I worked out today. Yes, I exercised and I went in the same park from yesterday, so feeling good about that. I'll take a break from exercising tomorrow. And yes, I have the cool. I officially have the cool, and that's basically about how today went. It's Friday. Does anybody remember that song? It's 11:30 right now. We had a long drive this morning. I had to drop my friend home, and the cold like coming on tomorrow strong. Come back home and wasn't feeling all of that, but I did some cleaning. Yes, I did some cleaning. I did a lot of cleaning, guys. Feel proud of me. I did a lot of cleaning, and I have somewhere to go now, so gonna do that, and that's probably. But when I come back, I actually have to do some filming, and I have to organize some stuff on the laptop, guys. Okay, so it's like 6:30, and be happy for me, be excited, because I have exercised 4 days this week. Like, yay! I've exercised 4 days this week. Today, so when I came back home from my long drive, I went to work, of course, and then I decided to walk with 2 of my really good friends. You know who you are. So we walked, and it was great. I sweat around plenty, so it had to be good. And yeah, my legs kind of killing me a little bit now, but honestly not hurting so much right now, but I sure like in the morning it just gonna hurt like a lot. I'm hoping that I may be able to vlog tomorrow, because I have something exciting to go to tomorrow. Like, yay! It's Saturday, so it's like 9:30. I just reached work. Today is a very, very exciting day. Like, honestly, I'm feeling much better with the cold. Still have it a little bit though, and I ran out of medication for today, so I had to buy more. Let's see. So today I'm in work right now. I didn't have to come early, but I wanted to, because you know, just me. So for like 12, like 1, I have this super exciting event that I want to go to, and I personally really wanted to go to the event, and it's actually like work related also, so I'm super excited. I'm going to Arima today, and it's going to be a very, very fun event. When I get there, hopefully I'm not too shy to vlog, so actually vlog a little bit, and we see a little bit more about it. So guys, say hi.
Hello, what's up? Somebody want to say hi?
Say hi. After 4 right now, and I just want to say today was so super truly amazing. Honestly, guys, I had the best day ever. I spent my time with some great, amazing people, of course. So I did get a little bit of footage in between. Didn't really vlog in the events, like in place, because it kind of wouldn't really make sense, because you wouldn't really hear me talking. You'd more like hear the surroundings. But where I went, there's something called a chair fair, and it was held in the Arima Velodrome today. So there's like this little card, and then there's like a whole lot of different stalls that they had. So they had things like Habitat for Humanity, like STEM challenge, educational solutions, STEM specialists. What else? They had like Diabetes Association of Trinidad and Tobago Cancer Society, but basically it was a lot of like mental and physical health awareness, and it was like a lot of environmental changes. And trust me, I think that Trinidad should have a lot more of these things. It was truly amazing. I went with some members from the team at work of course, with Celine. I missed you. We missed you. We missed you from the events. Wish you was there. And while we were driving, we had a little bit of karaoke session. Tamara, Shail, you guys are amazing. For singing better than me, of course, because I had the cool, you know. It was just such a truly amazing experience. Like, I would definitely want one of this to happen again. It was just truly amazing, and if they ever have any like this, I am so going to go. You guys, you should have been there. It was amazing. You know, I had my hair in braids just now, right? I just like loose it out. I mean, look at this. Like, it's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I wish my hair could be like this. Well, not all the time, but you know, it's just like get like that natural crimp, and it's just like so cool. So at the event there was food, and y'all know there are certain things that I can't resist when I see, and there was chow, and there was plum chow. They had like a whole lot of different fruits, so like they had like pine, plum, mango, all these things, and I had to get the plum, and this just looks so good.
Perdona mi atrevimiento, pero no puedo dejar que te vaya.